Samantha Uribe, and I am one of 2 art teachers at Corey Academy. And today we are going to be making these wonderful initials for the holidays that you can make with family or friends to give to somebody or to just use on your own. So today you're going to need some kind of cardboard. I suggest using like a cereal box, or I use this Capri Sun box, and I just cut it up to a square size, but you could do it however you want to. And you're going to just draw an initial. So I have a pencil and a Sharpie, and I'm going to start by just writing the letter that I want to use. So I'm going to do an S because my first name's Samantha, so I'm going to make an S, and I want it pretty big. Then I'm going to take the Sharpie, and I'm going to go around my pencil marks. I'm not going to touch the pencil because if I do, then it's not going to be bubble letter. So now I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to use scissors. If you are having trouble cutting, please ask an adult for some help. So cut it on out. Now you have your letter. No need to erase, no need to add anything special because you're going to cover it with some yarn. I got some of this yarn from just a craft store, but if you have some at home, that's even better. So I'm going to use red today, and what you're going to do is you are going to just tape it onto one of the sides of the letter. So I'm just going to tape it on, and you might want to cut a little bit off. And it doesn't matter where you tape it because you're just going to wrap around it anyways. So here I go, I'm going to just wrap. Now this is the longest part of the entire thing. So maybe you watch some TV while you're wrapping your yarn, or maybe you have a conversation with a family member. But just wrap it around and try your best to cover the cardboard as much as possible. Okay, so now I'm going to trim it off once I've covered all the cardboard, and I'm going to try my best to wrap it under, or if it makes it easier for you, you could just glue it on. So make sure you clear the glue, and you just put a little dab, and lucky for us, Elmer's glue dries clear. So as soon as it dries, you won't see the glue anymore, so it can get a little messy. Now, the best part is you can now add awesome stuff to your letter. So I went and I got shiny glitter because it's my favorite, and it could look like this if you want to do glitter. Or if you get pom-poms, you can add some pom-poms to the front as well, which adds like a little funky addition. So I got some of these cute little white pom-poms, and I'm going to add them to my letter. And I'm just using regular glue. If you have hot glue at home, make sure you ask a parent to help you because it can get really hot. So I just add some glue and stick it on. You could even add both. You could do pom-poms and glitter, whatever floats your boat. So here I am adding some more pom-poms. And then once I'm done with this, you need to let it dry before you hand it off to anybody else. I don't want to give anybody anything that's not fully dry because it will fall apart. So I'm going to add the pom-poms. If I want to, I can add some dots of glitter. And now you can add some glitter. Then all you have to do is add one of those hooks to the top, and then you can hang it on your Christmas tree. And here's the finished product. I'm Samantha Uribe. Have a happy holiday.